Today I'm going to teach you how to search projects in GitHub. This is incredibly useful when you're looking for specific code examples, open source projects, or repositories created by particular developers. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to collab.research.google.com. This will take you to the Google Colab homepage, which serves as your starting point for accessing GitHub's search functionality. Make sure the page loads completely before moving on to the next step. Once you're on the page, direct your attention to the upper right toolbar. Here, you'll find a search button that's specifically designed for finding repositories and projects. Click on the search field and type in what you're looking for. For example, if you're searching for projects by a specific developer, you can type their username directly into the search bar. After you've entered your search term, simply hit enter on your keyboard to initiate the search. The search will process for a moment, and then you'll see all the results displayed on your screen. These results will show you various projects, repositories, and code snippets that match your search query. Take a moment to scan through what appears, as this gives you a broad overview of what's available. Now here's where things get really useful. Navigate to the left sidebar of the page. This sidebar contains a variety of filtering options that will help you narrow down your search results significantly. You'll see options for different programming languages such as JavaScript, Python, HTML, Java, CSS, PHP, C++, and many other languages. These filters are incredibly handy when you're looking for projects written in a specific language or framework. Click on your preferred language from this list. For instance, if you're specifically interested in Python projects, click on Python. The page will refresh and filter all the results to show only projects written in that particular language. This saves you a tremendous amount of time by eliminating irrelevant results and focusing only on what matters to you. Finally, browse through the filtered results. You can now explore projects that match both your initial search criteria and your chosen programming language. This two-step filtering process makes finding exactly what you need much more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to search and filter projects in GitHub using language-specific criteria. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.